Are you looking to reduce your fuel expenses without sacrificing style? We have selected for you the 7 best hybrid SUVs combining exceptional energy efficiency, proven reliability, and reassuring resale value. These vehicles will not only help you save on fuel, but will also offer a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Attention! Not all hybrid SUVs are created equal. I invite you to explore our complete list and stay with us until our #1 choice to ensure you leave well-informed and ready to make a wise decision. 7th position, Renault Captur E-Tech Hybrid. Let's begin with the Renault Captur E-Tech Hybrid, a true favorite among European drivers making its way to American shores. The Captur captivates with its elegant design and cutting-edge hybrid technology. Its 1.6-liter gasoline engine and electric motor produce 143 horsepower, offering a perfectly balanced blend of power and efficiency. The Captur's interior is equipped with a 10.4-inch touchscreen powered by Google's operating system. With its sliding rear seats and advanced safety features, the Captur proves perfect for daily errands as well as weekend adventures. The hybrid system operates silently at low speeds, while the gasoline engine takes over smoothly for highway driving. With consumption of only 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 56 miles per gallon, this vehicle represents substantial savings at the pump. Recent satisfaction surveys reveal that owners particularly value its reduced consumption and remarkable versatility. According to a study conducted by automotive experts, the Captur Hybrid achieved an overall satisfaction rating of 4 out of 5, reflecting very positive appreciation from users. Regarding resale value, the Captur benefits from a favorable rating in the used car market. According to automotive valuation estimates, the 2025 version of the Captur E-Tech Hybrid 145 Engineered is valued at approximately $38,000, demonstrating its remarkable ability to maintain competitive residual value. However, certain weak points deserve mention. Reliability issues have been reported, including transmission malfunction alerts on certain plug-in hybrid versions, as well as electronic bugs affecting the multimedia system and warning lights illuminating unexpectedly. In conclusion, the Renault Captur E-Tech Hybrid remains a popular choice for those seeking a hybrid SUV combining style, energy efficiency, and daily practicality. 6th position, Kia Sportage Hybrid. At number 6, let's discover the Kia Sportage Hybrid with its absolutely striking design and remarkable practical features. It is powered by a turbocharged 1.6-liter gasoline engine and electric motor, producing an impressive combined power of 226 horsepower. The 6-speed automatic transmission offers perfectly smooth and pleasant driving. Inside, the Sportage Hybrid impresses with its futuristic cabin featuring two 12.3-inch screens serving as both dashboard and infotainment system. It is equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless and modern connectivity. The spacious rear seats and 580-liter cargo space provide ample room for passengers and their luggage, making it ideal for long family trips. The Sportage Hybrid switches effortlessly between gasoline and electric, providing instant torque for rapid acceleration and maximum energy efficiency. With consumption of 5.47 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 43 miles per gallon, this vehicle represents an excellent compromise between performance and economy. While the Kia Sportage Hybrid offers numerous undeniable advantages, it presents some disadvantages compared to certain direct competitors. For example, its fuel consumption remains slightly higher than that of the Toyota RAV4, which currently holds the efficiency record in this category with an average of 6.1 liters per 100 kilometers. Additionally, its trunk volume is 30 liters smaller than the Hyundai Tucson, slightly limiting its loading capacity. According to automotive estimates, its residual value remains highly competitive, notably thanks to Kia's exceptional reputation for reliability and sustained demand for hybrid SUVs in the used car market. The Kia Sportage Hybrid constitutes a particularly attractive option for those seeking a hybrid SUV, combining bold design, solid performance, and cutting-edge modern technology. 5th position, Hyundai Kona Hybrid. Let's now discover the Hyundai Kona Hybrid, this compact SUV that offers excellent efficiency and a host of impressive modern features. Powered by a 1.6-liter gasoline engine and high-performance electric motor, it develops 139 horsepower and is specially designed to optimize fuel consumption, particularly for daily urban driving. The Kona Hybrid's 10.25-inch infotainment screen offers crisp, crystal-clear graphics, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for perfect connectivity. Its 60/40 split-folding rear seats offer additional loading flexibility that is very appreciable. The Hyundai Kona Hybrid is particularly appreciated for its remarkable energy efficiency and resolutely modern design. With consumption of 4.9 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 48 miles per gallon, it positions itself among the most economical in its category. Recent satisfaction surveys indicate that owners particularly value its reduced consumption, and especially its exceptional driving comfort. According to Automotive Guides, the Kona obtains a rating of 79%, reflecting very positive general satisfaction from users. Regarding resale value, the Kona Hybrid benefits from Hyundai's solid reputation in SUVs and advanced hybrid technology. The exceptional 5-year unlimited mileage warranty also contributes to maintaining its attractive resale value in the market. However, the vehicle's performance is sometimes considered modest by certain users, and steering can occasionally lack consistency, which may affect driving pleasure. Additionally, dashboard plastics are sometimes criticized for their hardness, slightly impacting the perception of overall interior quality. Nevertheless, the Hyundai Kona Hybrid remains a particularly solid choice for drivers seeking a compact hybrid SUV offering low fuel consumption and a resolutely futuristic design. Fourth position, Honda HR-V HEV. Let's discover the Honda HR-V e HEV, a hybrid that perfectly marries sporty style and remarkable energy efficiency. It is equipped with a 1.5-liter gasoline engine associated with 2 high-performance electric motors, developing a total of 129 horsepower. The HR-V intelligently prioritizes electric energy at low speeds, thus guaranteeing particularly interesting fuel savings. Honda's famous Magic Seats allow the rear seats to fold completely flat or flip up vertically, offering absolutely incredible versatility and cargo space for this vehicle category. The HR-V's hybrid system operates perfectly transparently, guaranteeing silent and efficient driving both in the city and on the highway. With fuel economy of 5 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 47 miles per gallon, the HR-V constitutes an excellent way to save about $400 per year in fuel compared to an equivalent traditional SUV. Recent satisfaction surveys indicate that owners particularly value its legendary reliability and exceptional driving comfort. According to a thorough automotive evaluation, the HR-V obtains a rating of 75%, reflecting positive general satisfaction from users. According to automotive experts, the HR-V benefits from an exceptional reputation for reliability, which considerably supports its rating in the used car market. This solid reputation contributes to maintaining its attractive residual value. However, certain evaluations reveal some points for improvement. For example, fuel consumption can sometimes be slightly higher than that of certain direct competitors under specific driving conditions. Additionally, the interior presentation is sometimes considered somewhat bland, with a relative lack of modern embedded technologies compared to the competition. In conclusion, the Honda HR-V e-HEV remains a particularly reliable and judicious option for those seeking a versatile and comfortable hybrid SUV, benefiting from Honda's reputation for excellence. Third position, Lexus UX 250h. Let's now discover the Lexus UX 250h, this luxury hybrid SUV that offers the perfect blend of energy efficiency and refined sophistication. It is powered by a 2-liter gasoline engine associated with a high-performance electric motor, developing 181 horsepower, perfectly suited for demanding urban driving. It switches with remarkable smoothness between gasoline and electric, offering a driving experience of exceptional fluidity. Automotive publications regularly highlight its construction quality and exemplary reliability, attributes that are perfectly reflected in owner satisfaction surveys. Drivers particularly appreciate its exceptional driving comfort, refined and luxurious interior, and remarkable energy efficiency. With consumption of 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 44 miles per gallon, this vehicle represents an excellent compromise between luxury and economy. According to a comprehensive study conducted in major metropolitan areas, the Lexus UX Hybrid operates in all-electric mode for 63.4% of driving time, which considerably contributes to a silent and particularly economical driving experience. It is truly in the cabin that Lexus shines brilliantly, offering exceptional premium materials, heated leather seats, and a 10.3-inch infotainment screen with integrated navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Sophisticated ambient lighting beautifully enhances the soothing and luxurious cabin atmosphere. The Lexus UX 250h nevertheless presents certain limitations worth mentioning. Automotive experts notably highlight its relatively restricted trunk space, offering a capacity of only 265 liters, which may prove insufficient for large families or travelers with bulky luggage. Additionally, rear seat space remains limited, potentially making long trips less comfortable for tall passengers. According to automotive specialists, the Lexus UX 250h nevertheless benefits from a very favorable rating in the used car market. Estimates indicate that its residual value remains particularly competitive thanks to Lexus's legendary reputation for reliability and especially the consistently sustained demand for luxury hybrid vehicles. The Lexus UX 250h constitutes a particularly judicious choice for buyers seeking a hybrid SUV combining authentic luxury, remarkable performance, and exceptional durability. Second position, Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. Let's discover the Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid, which intelligently combines SUV practicality with the remarkable efficiency of a hybrid. Equipped with a 3-cylinder 1.5-liter engine and high-performance electric motor, it develops 114 horsepower, offering power perfectly adapted to daily use. The Yaris Cross Hybrid offers a spacious cabin with particularly appreciable modern equipment, notably a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also features a panoramic sunroof and wireless charging in the most equipped upper versions. Its 40/60 split rear seats add remarkable versatility to the cabin, making this vehicle ideal for demanding urban environments. The Yaris Cross offers particularly agile maneuverability and an electric-only mode for low-speed driving, perfect for sensitive urban areas. With exceptional consumption of 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 50 miles per gallon, it positions itself among the most economical in the entire hybrid SUV market. Automotive publications regularly emphasize that the Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid positions itself as one of the best-selling hybrids in the United States, testifying to its growing popularity. Satisfaction surveys reveal that owners particularly value its exceptional energy efficiency, legendary reliability, and quality American manufacturing. It fully benefits from Toyota's worldwide reputation for durability and reliability, which gives it a particularly favorable rating in the used car market. This solid reputation significantly contributes to maintaining its attractive residual value. However, automotive critics mention that certain owners regret that the trunk volume is slightly smaller than that of certain direct competitors, somewhat limiting loading capacity for large families. Additionally, cabin sound insulation could be improved, particularly at high speeds on highways, where certain road noise may be audible. Despite these minor improvement points, the Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid remains a particularly solid option for those seeking a reliable, economical hybrid SUV manufactured with recognized American craftsmanship. First position, Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Finally, at the top of our ranking, let's discover the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, a compact SUV that perfectly combines Toyota's legendary reliability with absolutely exceptional fuel efficiency. Powered by a 2-liter gasoline engine and 3 high-performance electric motors, it develops 197 horsepower, offering driving that is both powerful and remarkably economical. This sophisticated technical configuration allows it to achieve record consumption of 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 51 miles per gallon. Inside, the Corolla Cross features a refined and modern cabin with a panoramic sunroof, a 12.3-inch digital driver display, and the Toyota Safety Sense system, which includes a complete suite of particularly effective advanced safety features. Its spacious interior and all-wheel drive option make it versatile for various driving conditions, from urban environments to more adventurous weekend getaways. It is universally recognized for its exceptional reliability and remarkable energy efficiency, qualities that are perfectly reflected in owner satisfaction surveys. According to automotive guides, it is well-built, spacious, and comfortable, with particularly reasonable consumption and high resale value, making it a particularly sensible and thoughtful purchase. Toyota hybrid models, including the Corolla Cross, generally maintain exceptionally high residual value thanks to their legendary reputation for reliability and consistently sustained demand for hybrid vehicles in the used car market. Certain improvement points deserve mention according to automotive experts, including ride comfort, which can sometimes be slightly disappointing on certain types of surfaces, and the engine, which can prove somewhat noisy when more heavily stressed during sharp accelerations. Despite these minor details, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid remains our absolute first choice for the year 2025 for a hybrid SUV, offering a truly optimal combination of fuel economy, proven reliability, and exceptional resale value. Each of these 7 exceptional hybrid SUVs offers remarkable value at the pump, while perfectly meeting the diverse needs of today's American drivers. Whether you seek refined luxury, daily practicality, or long-term durability, there is certainly an option in this selection that perfectly matches your expectations and budget. Do you agree with Toyota's dominant presence in our top 2 positions in this ranking? Share your opinion and personal experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful to you. Subscribe to our channel and activate notification bells to not miss any of our upcoming automotive videos. Your opinion interests us enormously and helps our entire community make informed and judicious choices. See you very soon for exciting new automotive discoveries.